Highlights of Republic Act 7076 by Nick Paul Saga II. Content: Introduction. Key features of RA 7076, Minahang Bayan, Licensing and Regulation, Revenue Sharing and Government Role, and Conclusion. Introduction. What is RA 7076? Republic Act Number 7076, also known as the People's Small Scale Mining Act of 1991, is a law in the Philippines that provides the legal framework for small-scale mining operation in the country. The law's objective is to legalize and organize small-scale mining operation, protect the environment while promoting sustainable mining. In order to empower small-scale miners, control their operations, and guarantee that their mining operations support environmental sustainability and economic growth, RA 7076 was passed. Key features of RA 7076: Establishment of Minahang Bayan, People's Small-Scale Mining Areas, Licensing and Regulation of Small-Scale Mining Operation, Environmental Protection and Rehabilitation Requirements, Revenue Sharing Mechanism and Government Taxation. These qualities ensures that small-scale mining operations are conducted ethically in addition to sustainability. By designating some areas as mining zone, the government can reduce environmental damage and better regulate business degradation. Minahang Bayan. Small-scale mining is centralized in particular areas by the Minahang Bayan system, making it simpler for authorities to keep an eye on things and enforce rules. Additionally, this approach encourages miners to organize by requiring them to establish groups or cooperatives, which can aid in enforcing working conditions and access to resources like technical training and financial aid. Licensing and regulation. The legislation prohibits small-scale mining operation to inhabitants of the Philippines and officially acknowledged cooperatives or connection. This guarantees that only accountable teams with the required resources and expertise can participate in mining operation. Requirements: Environmental Compliance Certificate, small-scale mining contract issued by the DENR, compliance with labor and safety laws. Revenue sharing and government rule. By formalizing small-scale mining, the government can collect taxes and fees, which contribute to national and local development projects. The DENR and MGB play a crucial role in ensuring that miners follow the law and operate sustainably. The revenue sharing system also benefits local governments, enabling them to invest in infrastructure and community programs. Conclusion: the effectiveness of Republic Act 7076 is depend on strong enforcement, appropriate implementation, and cooperation among interested parties. The government needs to simplify its regulation procedures while making sure miners follow safety and environmental regulation. By encouraging collaboration between regulatory bodies, local governments, and miners, the nation can optimize small-scale mining advantage while reducing its adverse effect. Thank you.